Hey, do you want to know what's going on in the Fresno real estate market? Well, in today's video, I'm going to do a deep dive with analytics as to what's going on in Fresno and whether you should buy or sell and what your next move should be. Let's get to it. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I am your host, Leo Landaverde, real estate agent and investor helping you build wealth in real estate. If you are thinking about buying or selling real estate or are interested in learning more about how to create passive income using real estate, then you come to the right place. I would encourage you to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell and you'll be notified every time a new video comes out.
Hey everybody, welcome to another market video. This is March 2022, March 4th, actually March 15th, and I want to show you what's going on in the market, and you can see the trending, and so you can be well informed. If you watch my videos, I like to give a lot of market intelligence, which is what you should have in order to either buy or sell real estate. So what I like to kind of start taking you is, we're talking about Fresno Clovis market today. We're going to start with Clovis. The first thing that I look at is the price per square foot in whatever city I'm actually doing research, because I'm also a real estate investor. Right now, you can see that over the last 15 months, from December 2020 to February 2022, there's a steady increase in the average price per square foot in Clovis. And it's, if we actually were to upgrade it to Fresno, just to change it, you can see that Fresno is not far behind. Fresno is the larger city of the two, although Clovis is a little pricier. It's a little more. It has its own charm. It really, a lot of people love it. So it's a little, it commands a higher price. It has its own city and fire. So you can tell that Fresno's to 28 versus to 55. But they're both increasing. Look at, December was 190, and kind of is represented here. So this is what's important for you when you're looking to invest, whether you're buying or selling. So if you're selling your property today, a year ago, the average price per square foot was $192 in the city of Fresno. Is now $228 trending. It is as reflected here, and it's only gonna continue to get higher. So so that's the first thing that I look at, and I look at the months of inventory. Here, the months of inventory, you can tell that back in December 2020, we had basically 3 weeks worth of inventory. Fast forward to February, the last month we have data for is still less than a month. So we have about 25 to 27 days worth of inventory.
Are you thinking about doing some real estate investing of your own? Well, drop me a comment below and let's connect. I respond to all your comments every day, and I'm always looking forward to having conversations about real estate investing. Connect with me.
Which is best illustrated if we're looking at in Fresno at this chart right here. These are the red line is all the properties right now that are basically pending. 469 transactions that are pending right now. 366 properties sold in Fresno in February versus 340 that were listing. So it seems like we are selling properties faster than they're going on the market, hence the low inventory, hence what's driving the price up. But this is another important thing, and I'm going to show you. Actually, we should just look at does it have a difference? Clovis is actually less. There's actually less inventory in Clovis than it is in Fresno. So as I show you the average price per square foot, the dates on the market. Now this is important. Now pay attention to this. The average continuous days on the market, 20 days. So it takes a house 20 days to go into, go from being listed to being sold. Now, the numbers are skewed because it's actually, to me, it's actually quicker. It's actually taking much less than that, because I'm seeing properties that are being listed today and they have 10 offers tomorrow, half of them in cash. So definitely a competitive war, not just Fresno or Clovis or the Central Valley. This is really throughout the state of California. Is it much different in Fresno? Let's update. So right now, the selling price versus the original listing price, that meant houses were actually selling for 98 cents on the $1 that was being sold. Now they're actually selling, which we knew, we're selling higher than asking price. A lot of them without contingencies and basically buying as is. So if we were to upgrade that to Clovis, pretty much the same. So now this is interesting. So we have here for 611 properties. Actually, I'm just going to combine them both here. Okay, 446 properties that are for sale versus 402. This is what we really got going on right now. I like to look at, as I said, the market summary. It is still very much a seller's market. The average sold price per square foot in February of 222 is 228. So what do you make of that? So if you were in the market to sell your the house, depending on the zip code that you're in, you may command a little higher. So you take your average square foot. So say you have a 2,000 square foot home times 228 average, $456,000 home. Now, keep in mind that real estate is hyper local, and if an appraiser is going to come and appraise your house, it's going to take the listings within a 1 mile radius. So you can actually do that yourself. You can look at your zip code, and within 1 mile, or depends, if it is densely populated, half a mile radius, you should be able to see what properties are being listed for the same like, if you have a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, compared to a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,600 square foot home anywhere within your zip code, that'll give you an idea. So folks, this is definitely a seller's market, will continue to be so. I expect that the inventory to continue to be what it is for many months to come. I expect the properties to sell higher than asking price. I know I've done some other videos when I tell you there's all these great things that you need to do to get your house, top dollar for your house, and you may be able to get $20,000, $30,000 above asking price, but you don't really have to do much because there is just bidding wars out there for the properties as they are. Investors are coming in and buying them as they are because they see the potential. So think about it. If you have a property, and a lot of it, real estate is speculation. So if you have a property right now that you can purchase for $228, that you can later resell for $328 in the next couple of years, as a windfall. I know the state of California is doing proposing some legislation that would do all kinds of things in taxation, which is not good. But as of right now, things are looking up. If you are a property and you're looking to sell, please, put a comment on the comment section and let's connect. You can definitely get top dollar for your property, and the time is now. Thank you so much for letting me share.
For a limited time, I'm giving away my maximum mortgage payment calculator as well as my fix and flip calculators. These are really great tools that I have built and borrowed from different places that I use every day that I think you can benefit from. My gift to you, all you need to do is click on the links below and you'll get it for free. Thank you.